Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a summarization of where Captain Elephant is on the Blox fruit. So where is he located? So a lot of guys have this frustration where to actually find this dude. So he's located at the floating turtle near the mansion. So to the right of the forest, pirates in the third sea. So that's the Captain Elephant's location basically. So how long does it take for Captain Elephant to spawn? Well, this is their common misconception that he spawns most of the times, but it's really rare because only at level 1875. So once someone kills him, this boss has a respawn time of 30 minutes. So that's basically all you get that window. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this short summarization video. Have a nice day.